Okay, so you're gonna start by taking two of these bolts out, both 19 millimeter, or you can use a 3/4. Then I take my front caliper, put it on the arm to support it, take a 12 millimeter bolt, screw it in there, pop this off, put that off to the side. Next thing you do, I went to the hardware store, got an M12 by 1.25 nut, screw right on here till it's nice and flush. Then take your hammer, start whacking away. Just like that. You got one down and out. Spin that around, take that out. One down, 4 more to go. Just like that, they're all out. You can see I went with the ARP extended studs. You see the difference, how long they are. Then I took a piece of 150 sandpaper, just went along that part, just clean it up. Try to get the rust off the best I can, no biggie. So then you take your extended stud, feed it through the hole, get a bunch of washers from the hardware store, slip the washers on. Got an extra nut for this process. Threaded it on. Try to get it as straight as you can, the best you can. Then take my socket, impact gun, put it on there. Make sure it's going in straight the best you can, and then tighten it down. Make sure it's seated. Then you just back everything out. And do the process for the next 4. Just like that. Now you got 5 extended studs. So next step is to reinstall the brake disc. Then we're gonna reach back around here, grab the caliper, get the caliper back on, reattach the 2 19mm bolts, hold the caliper on, and then we go to the other side and repeat the process all over again. I hope this helped. Stay tuned for more videos.